Hi everybody, this video is for week number 5, and I'm sorry it's coming on late on Monday, but I do want to get this to you so that you can get an overview of what you're doing for this week number 5. Here's the front page of Carmen, and if we go to week number 5 link, click right here. This week you are going to be following up with the tutorial that I did. Actually, many of you already submitted your documents with the plagiarism puzzles, putting the comments on the side and creating some problems in that PA master document. And now with what I said, and I already graded those and put those into Carmen, so you can check up on that, but it tells you step by step what you need to do if you look at the comments on that. But in this case now, what you're going to do is leave those problems, take away the highlighting, take away the comments, and then submit it to the plagiarism draft to the peer, okay, by I believe Wednesday night this week. And we can check that down here. Of course, here are your readings. Remember, the readings are always available here on this page. The videos that you need to watch. And then the discussion board, of course, is coming up again this Friday. And here is the assignment description, plagiarism assignment part 2, giving feedback on the plagiarism. Remove the highlighting and submit it to peer. And when you do this on Wednesday night, Thursday, then I will match you with a peer, and you should be getting a peer's document to look at, and then to actually find the plagiarism things that they put there. Okay, so you're going to be commenting on, highlighting it, just like you did when you created it. Highlight it, find out what kind of problem it is, tell me what kind of problem it is in the margin, and then also telling me how they should fix it, basically. Kind of like what a teacher would do when they're checking a paper. And I'm also going to include here below this video a link for a video on how do you use Google Docs and get the Google Docs document to show me how to show me to submit the Google Doc with the comments on the side. So that video also will be there. I go step by step on how to do that real quickly. So, and then you're going to be taking a screenshot of your comments right here. It says to the that you make on your peers document, and you'll put that up on your u.osu site. Okay, so here's the schedule real quickly. Revise, remove, highlight, and submit plagiarism assignment to peer. That's Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. By Wednesday night you should have that done, and then I will match you up with your peer. Then Thursday, Friday, Saturday, you'll download that document, find the plagiarism problems, highlight it, put the answers, put how to fix it, do all of that stuff, and then submit it to the plagiarism comments on your peer's plagiarism draft. And then post it by Sunday night, okay? One more thing I think I do want to mention here. There's some confusion with some students on the assignment over here. Let me put it. If we go down here to the photo reflection assignment, you have the photo reflection peer review. This particular thing should be the comments. You should upload it here too. The comments that you made on your peer's photo reflection draft, and you were supposed to give some grades and use the photo reflection sheet, peer review sheet that I gave you answering those questions. The peer review sheet is right here. This is the peer review sheet, if I'll put it right there. And this one says that you should give a scale, give a rating to that, give comments answering these questions about the photo image, about the content, and that's what you should have sent to your peer or given to them. But then you also need to give it to me in this particular document here. This is not this one, comments on peers photo reflection. This is different. This is something that you will do on the u.osu.edu site with 2 or more peers, copy their names and copy the comments, and then put those also here in this particular assignment Dropbox folder so that I can see where you did that. Okay? So that's basically it. Hope you guys have a good week, and send me an email if you have any questions.